here we go. Here's the course preview for JJRT racetrack. So seems at first confusing course. You can stand at this point and see 95% of the course. The only part you don't really see is here and here when you are running there, but everything else you really see, which is really cool and why I want to make this dual meet happen. Okay, so you start where the green dot is right here. Okay, and you're going out away from the starting line. Okay, and this is a cinder track, so in reality, I guess there's a little bit of elevation change, but it is flat. Okay, so you do a complete loop, and this is the only time you do a complete loop on the track the whole time. Okay, going counterclockwise, and then before you finish your second loop, you go up the biggest hill in the course, which is an elevation rise of about 15 feet, so not very big at all. Okay, and then you're on the upper loop, which is more like a figure 8 in a sense. Okay, so you're looping around this softball field, and then you go the interior of the softball field. Okay, so you go through here. Okay, and then this is the mile mark here, and then and that's all flat in that upper loop. Okay, and then you go down the hill, and now you're going around the track clockwise, and you do 3/4 of a lap. Okay, and this is all flat, and then you go up the short steep hill to get back on the upper loop. You start a little differently on the loop, but once you get by the softball field, it's the exact same thing. So you go around the outer of the first field, and then you go around the inner of the second field, and then you pop up. Once again, this whole top part is pretty darn flat. You go down the hill again, and then that's where you hit the 2-mile mark, and then 3/4 of a lap again. Go up the short steep hill. Okay, and then you loop around the softball fields again, same exact loop. This is your 3rd time doing it. Okay, down the hill, and then you go 3/4 of the way around the field. You hit the 3-mile mark. Instead of going around or up the hill, you go around and you finish in the middle of the field. Okay, so you finish through here. Okay, so once again, it is a very flat course, but I think it does have, as you can count, endless amounts of 90-degree turns, which makes it a little tricky to run and get in a rhythm in. But what makes it really fast for our boys in the past has been the fact that you're being cheered on the whole time, and your teammates see you multiple times. So the dream, once again, is to get lights. Okay, I mean, it wouldn't be that. Maybe we wouldn't need lights. It depends. Have stands in here. Maybe have some stands here. Have announcers, so speakers. Okay. Have a timing mat here, so they pass it 1 time, 2 times, and then they come back down 3 times, come back down 4 times, 5 times, and then they finish here. The idea was to have scoreboards that have updated scoring here and here maybe, so we can get people out to watch this that don't really know as much about cross country and get them into it. And with the 2 teams we have returning for this, I think it would be perfect. Okay, and then yeah, thanks. Sorry if this video is awkward.